My name is Jackie Celestine Andre. I'm Diversity Director for the Consumer Products Division at L'Oreal. And the lab that L'Oreal has led is the mainstreaming diversity in the workplace. Because we realize that diversity, managing diversity is a necessity in this really changing world. So L'Oreal, our facilitator IMS Entrepreneur Plasticity and CSR Europe launched this laboratory to help companies learn how to share experience, learn how to integrate diversity in the workplace. All the lab members share the same common goal and objective, is to really relate that diversity is not a scary phenomenon. It is really a positive force that will help companies succeed in this world that's really changing. First of all, we realize that we need to respond to the diverse needs of the company, workforce, workplace, and the communities that they serve in. And we realize that the companies in the lab are at different levels of progression in terms of diversity management. But whatever levels that we are at, we believe that we need to be able to build and share on those experiences. So they developed an innovative brochure that gives very simple, easy guidelines to understanding what diversity is, what is the impact, and most importantly, giving a quick access to information on diversity, on discrimination, because again, discrimination is really a factor that will stop any progression of diversity management within the workplace. Secondly, we realize that there's got to be a way to continue this collaborative effort with companies that we've started here with the CSR labs. And so looking at how we can further topics on diversity, we set up a collaborative conference focusing on one specific diversity issue, which was age management and career and age management, particularly targeted to individuals over 40 years old. So it's quite innovative because we brought together companies that probably would never have gotten together on this topic. We brought in experts from from institutions, from academia, to help us really understand what the issues are in terms of age management and the need to keep the workforce active no matter what age. And that was a pilot program that we did in Brussels. And again, this was the first idea and first pilot of this type of initiative, bringing together HR people, operational managers from six different companies. And again, this is a tool we believe it is efficient and can help companies collectively, collaboratively move together on a diversity issue. And then, of course, we also, amongst the company members, have a wealth of information, a wealth of knowledge on managing diversity. And so we put together all that and developed other types of guidelines on how to create a diversity career fair. Also with the same idea, a collaborative approach, working with companies and working with stakeholders. Also, again, each company has had their experience again in diversity management. So, and how-to guide on helping us to understand how to do certain things as it relates to diversity, whether it's in recruitment, whether it's in training, whether it's work-life balance. Again, really, we believe concrete examples of how to make things happen. So those are the tools that we use. The brochure will be online, available online. And so we believe that it's simple and it's straightforward. And that's something that we believe companies can really benefit from. Well, for companies that are part of CSR Europe, they can, of course, join our labs. They can continue to find out what we're doing through the website. Basically, we're open, of course, to discussion with companies. Because again, we have experience, but we all recognize that we can go much more further on integrating diversity. And so we're open to sharing ideas with companies. Again, we want to continue this collaborative effort. And so our member companies are reaching out to other companies in their countries or in their particular field to help work together on helping to really help each other learn how to mainstream diversity in the workplace.